After you insert some data in your table, you may want to delete some information from your tables. In that case, how can we delete? There is a syntax called delete statement. So it looks like this: delete from and the table name. And if you delete from tables, it will delete everything. So therefore, you may specify some conditions. We will learn about this where statement for the condition later. But here, for example, if you want to delete product whose description is claw hammer, we can add one condition here. Delete from product where pdescript, the column, equals to the value claw hammer, then the DBMS will search the product with the description that is claw hammer and will delete that specific row. And also sometimes you may want to change the information. So you want to update some values in the existing row. You can use update statement. So update statement, the syntax is update table name, and then you can specify some values by using the set statement. So for example, let's say if you want to change the price of Power Painter, the product code is given as 11QER-31 to 112.50. Update the table name first, and the set, specify the column name and the value. Here the value is a numeric value, so you don't need apostrophe or single quotation mark. And then we have some condition. So where, what's the condition? The P code, the product code is given as 11QER-31, but this is a character value, so we need to enclose this with apostrophe. Another example is if you want to increase the price of all products by 10%, how can you do that? In this case, there is no where condition because I want to apply this to all the products. But here, update the product without where statement. Still, we want to change the value for the P price. So set column name P price, and the new value is, you can also calculate it. So equals to, you will assign the current P price multiply by 1.1. That means 10% increase the value. So this new value will be stored, or it will be recorded as a new value for the P price. To test the SQL statements that we just learned, let's look at product table. And if we browse it, currently we have, let's see, 16 products in the tables. And what we want to do is we want to delete a product, and the description of this product is a claw hammer. So where is the claw hammer? This is the P description column, and here is the claw hammer. So we want to delete this specific row. So if you use PHP MyAdmin, actually by clicking this, you can delete it. But instead of using this interface, let's run SQL statement directly. So click SQL tab, and instead of this select statement, we will type in delete statement. So delete, and then what's the syntax? From, and the table name, product, and where. So the condition is where, and you can type P description. By the way, sometimes it's useful to use the list of fields. On the right side, we have a field of list here after you specify the tables. So for the product table, where condition is related with the P description. So you may find the P description. You may double click, or you can move using this insert arrow. So here the column name P description equals to And also here actual apostrophe is added for column name as well, but it's not necessary. And what's the value for this P description? It is case sensitive, so you should be very careful. And one space and hammer and close it with apostrophe and close the statement with semicolon. So let's run. So click go. And then, because it's a deletion of information, it could be critical information and there is warning message. So do you really want to run this delete statement? Let's click OK. And then it says that deleted row, one row. So we deleted one row. And to check the result, let's go back to product table. And if we browse it, now you can see we have only 15 products and this claw hammer is gone. Now to test update statement, let's go back to SQL statement and here we will learn two update statement. The first update statement, update, and then table name, product, and we wanna reset the price. So set and what's the column name? P underbar price. And what's the new value for this price? 112.50. Since this is a numeric value, we don't need apostrophe. And for which product? The condition is where. What's the condition? Product code column should be matched with. Since product code is a character type, using apostrophe 11 QER and slash 31 and then close with apostrophe again and then close it with a semicolon. So this is the update statement and let's click go and then affected row is one row. So we updated one row. So let's check the result. If you browse it, where is the product? 11 QER-31, this product, let's check the price. Now, product price is 112.50. The last example, let's run another update statement. For this update statement, product, and then let's set price, P underbar price, and we will set this price by 10% increase. So with the current price multiplied by 1.1, actually we can get the 10% increased value, and we wanna apply this to all products, so there is no where statement. So close this with a semicolon and click go. And you can see affected rows are all the products, so 15 products. And if you go to the product and if you browse, you may find the 10% increase of the price for all the products.